everybody, and welcome to day 490 of Rhys's Stories. And today I'm going to be reading you a poem in this book of 365 animal stories and rhymes for boys called Bees Sneeze. The bees sneeze and wheeze, scraping pollen and honey from the lime trees. The ant hurries and pants, storing up everything at once. But I lie and sigh, watching all the bugs go by. The end. I hope you enjoyed that wonderful short rhyming poem in this book called 365 Animal Stories and Rhymes for Boys. So I better go now, and I have a hurling match in this heat. So enjoy the rest of the weather before it goes away again. And yes, so bye everybody, good luck.